Hi guys, welcome back to another video here today. And today we have another new arrival for the layout. So you may remember the last new arrival that we had was this first Aberdeen road service Dennis Dart bus, which I do think looks very good in the layout. I've done a few more videos with model trains and I do think it just makes it look a lot nicer. But today we have got another new arrival. This time it's not a bus, as you can see from the thumbnail, I'm assuming you have. It is a Ford Transit network rail van. I got this off of Amazon. It was, can't remember what the percentage was, but it had a reasonably large discount. So I just thought, might as well. I ordered it. So I do have a few ideas where this might go in the layout. Oh, don't want in there. Here we go. Personally think it is reasonably detailed. I'm going to try and get my camera to focus on it. It's nothing particularly special, it's just a Ford Transit van. It's owned by Network Rail. Even for just it being almost a plain white van, it has still got so much detail on it. You know, the fact they've got transit written on the back of it, that's quite good. Didn't actually notice that detail until I started recording this. We've got transit again written on the side. I don't think it's written on the front, however we do, just to get it focus, have a, oh it's not on the focus, there we go, we do have a four-door door as well. It is, I'm assuming, yep, they are the same license plate, just double checking. The bus was made by Cordy, and this Ford Transit's made by Oxford. Oxford does a lot of Ford Transit vans. I have seen quite a lot, but because the Network Rail van was on a discount, I decided to get this one. I'm quite happy with the detail. It arrived very fast as well. Although there's not too much I need to say other than it does do it how they've done the molding on the sides and stuff, and the roof as well especially. Does work like a proper Ford Transit van. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. I have a few ideas for where we might be able to put it on the way out, but I'm gonna try them out and see what one works best. And you guys let me know what you think in the comments below, where you think it should go. So my first idea was to have it over at this end piece of road by the station, as I thought it would kind of make sense for the Network Rail van to be very close to the station. And there was nothing on the road, so I just thought we put it there. Of course, it can like get like, put it like there as well. I think it looks slightly better there. I've got a few other ideas where I think it should go. My third idea is, second idea is to put it next to the DHL van in the parking spot. It does look slightly odd that there's two vans. However, I do think it does look quite nice. It also just shows you the difference between a CTU van and an Oxford van. I think it looks okay. I think I prefer it in number one though. However, there's a few more ideas I have. A third idea was having it coming from the over crossing, heading to the roundabout. Fitness makes the centre of it look a little bit more busy. Quite like that one, but I still think I prefer the first option. But the fourth one, I'm not sure how I'm going to get it into the fourth position. Now my fourth idea was to have it like the store truck and make it look like it was approaching the crossing. The problem is, it is slightly too long. So I've had to put it in an angle, but it doesn't really look the greatest in an angle. Looks a little bit odd. I could put it like more towards the side of the crossing and make it look like it's pulled over. I'm just not really sure I'm going to do that with the footbridge and the pillbox. So I think You guys can let me know what you think in the comments below where you think I should put it, but I think I'm going to put it back into spot number 1. I personally think it works best there, as it also makes sense, as you wouldn't really see a network rail van not very close to the track. I think it just looks quite good there. But then, do you let me know what you think in the comments below? Do you think I should move it? What do you think about on the van? And do you have any suggestions of what I should add to the layout? As there are so many different ideas and stuff I would have, but I would like to know, what do you guys have in mind? What do you have any suggestions of anything that I should do with the layout? And if so, maybe it's a chance I will take them on board, and maybe in the future your idea could be a part of the layout. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and stay speedy.